Good morning everybody, welcome to the show, and today I'm going to be talking about chocolate slices again. If I can just get Stephen to open the book on the slices.
Got a lot of different recipes here, don't we?
We do indeed. So while we're waiting, we'll go with the Lamingtons today.
Lamingtons?
And what you will need, here's Stephen to read out the ingredients here.
Alright, so what we need for Lamingtons. Right, this makes for 16. And it will take an hour and 15 minutes. We need 6 eggs. We need 2/3 of a cup, so 150 grams of caster sugar. 1/3 of a cup, 50 grams of corn flour. Half a cup, so 75 grams of plain flour. 1/3 a cup, 50 grams of self-raising flour. 2 cups, 160 grams of desiccated coconut. Okay, and now for the chocolate icing, we need 3 cups, so 500 grams of icing sugar. Half a cup, 50 grams of cocoa powder. 15 grams of butter, and that should be melted, and then 2/3 of a cup, so 160 mils of milk. So does that sound pretty good, Barry?
That sounds pretty good. Now, here's Stephen to read out the method.
Alright, so the method. Number one, we have to preheat the oven to 180 degrees and on 160 degrees Celsius fan fast. Make sure we grease the pan that we put the mixture in. Number two, beat the eggs in a medium bowl with an electric mixer for about 10 minutes or until thick and creamy. Gradually beat in sugar, beating until sugar dissolves after each addition. Fold in triple sifted flours. Spread mixture into the pan. Number three, bake cake for about 30 minutes. Turn cake top side up onto wire rack to cool. For the chocolate icing, step number 4. Sift the icing sugar and cocoa into a large heat-proof bowl. Stir in the butter and milk. Stir icing over a large saucepan of simmering water until of a coating consistency. Number 5. Cut cake into 16 squares. Deep squares in icing, drain off excess, toss squares in coconut, and place lamingtons on a wire rack to set. And there we have our lamingtons.
And that's what you will need, viewers, for this. So if you're in for something sweet for morning tea, make yourself some lamingtons. And that is the recipe of the morning. I will be back.